Did I just got scammed by Boxycharm? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video daily. It means so much to me. I've been seeing a lot of really warm, sweet messages from all of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate this. If this is the first time you watch my YouTube, welcome to the family. My YouTube channel is covering following area. We talk about luxury items, lots of unboxing. We talk about fashions. Sometimes fashion with the budget. We talk about beauty, especially skincare. I have over 27 years experience in cosmetics. I also own a skincare company called Yibu Beauty. And we also talk about my favorite thing in the whole wide world, Disney. There's lots of Disney content. If you found those topics interest to you, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. Today's video, so we're gonna do unboxing. Are you ready? Ta-da! It is the Sptember Boxycharm, and this is the big one. It's the Luxe box. And let's open this up and see what it's all in here. Before we start today's video, definitely check out my skincare company, Yibu Beauty. This is the best time to order your Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer. Why? Because we are offering double point plus free shipping. Best deal ever. And I encourage you to join our reward program. It's completely free. By joining the reward program and purchase one bottle, that will earn you over 100 points. Every 100 points you get $5 off. So it's a perfect time when we launch the new skincare product in a few weeks. You can save $5. If you're new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is the beauty subscription company. They offer 3 different type of boxes. Number one is called Boxycharm. It's $25 monthly. And let me check the information. It is a value of $175 with a 5 full-size item. The next one up is the premium box. It's $35 for $10 more, okay? You get $215 value up to 6 items. And then by quarter, which is every 4 months, they have one's called Luxe Box. And that's a $49.99. The value, are you ready? $395. Almost $400. Up to 8 items. And not only a beauty product, also lifestyle product in there too. And you can choose up to 2 items. But the reason why I subscribe Boxycharm is because as a skincare blogger, it is very expensive to buy the new product all the time. Go through Boxycharm, I can receive so many variety of product. Yeah, some of them I don't really care for, some of them really like, but that's what BEAUTYBOX is all about. You take a chance. So I definitely really enjoy Boxycharm. By the way, they're not paying me to say this. I pay for this myself, but I really do enjoy this. So this is the Luxe box. So this is apparently, let me see, this is the $49.99 and value $395 up to 8 items. Okay, so let's open this up. This is a really heavy box though. Boxycharm Luxe. Okay, each month or each box when you receive, they have a different theme. So this is particularly, it's a fall luxe. You can see that. So let me just randomly pull item out so we can see what's in there. Oh my god! The first, I mean, I'm not going to use this, but look at this one. This is the flat iron, and let's see how much is this baby. Whoa! This alone is $99. So the box is $39.99. Wait, $49.99. This is $99. So I got my money worth it already. Say for example, I'm not using this, but this is perfect for Christmas gift. Christmas, well, Halloween's around the corner. That means Christmas is coming. So you might as well start collecting really amazing product for your friends and family. So this is definitely to be Christmas gift or giveaway in the future. Okay, very nice. Next item. Okay, I always want to buy this. It's by Rare Beauty. Value $26. So what is this? This is a refillable 2-in-1 compact with blotting paper and the radiant powder. So there's a two things. Oops, right here. This is the radiant puff. Hold on, is there anything? There is some kind of powder in there, and there's a blotting paper right here. So this is good. Let me try this real quick. The puff is very firm. Oh, I like that. It kind of just matte on my skin a little bit, but without looking like a powder, which is really nice. See, you get a really cool item. I know some people say, oh yeah, Boxycharm, you always get an inspired item or the brand that you never heard, or you know. But then Rare Beauty is pretty much 1 year old, available at Sephora right now. So this is good. I would love to be on Boxycharm so people can get to know Yibu Beauty even faster. This is a great way to advertise your company too. Alright, the next item, Grace and Stella Sleep Mask Hot Cold Gel Bead Eye Mask. $18, okay. I was thinking it would be like $40, no, $18, but still pretty nice. Whoa, and then the back side, it's very, very soft. Whoa, what's this? Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Powder Whipped Cream. Probiotic Powder Whipped Cream. How much is this? This is $57. Whoa. Let's try it real quick. I tried some Saturday Skin product from Sephora. It was okay, but okay, there's no fragrance in there. At least not that I'm not smell. It says a whipped cream, but you know what? If you look at it on my light so strong, it does look like a whipped cream a little bit. It's one of those very heavy, thick cream, but when it goes on the skin, it just becomes very lightweight. It doesn't turn into water, but it's very light and very cooling. Oh, I like that. So I definitely give it a try. There's completely no smell, so it's really great. And I like this container. It's a glass packaging. Okay. So if you do the math right now, it's like a lot of money already. So, okay, the next item. What is this? The new company Defense Drops. It's like a vitamin. So it says a full dropper every day. So, oh, herbal supplement. Hello. I was trying to look at what is this. So this is increase your immune system. So apparently you take this will make you stronger against. Oh my god, it has this really brownish looking color. I'm gonna try it. I mean, it's not bad. At first it's very sour, and then get a little bitter taste, and then turn into sweet at the end. Okay. I'm not big on taking supplements, but I guess this is good, so I'm gonna give it a try. Interesting. Okay. I'm like speechless. Alright, the next item is by Iconic. What's this? It's the Triple Thread Mascara. Ooh, $26. Look at this. See, again, I don't wear mascara, so this will be a great gift for my family, my sisters, or even a giveaway. Because holiday is around the corner, and I plan to do some really nice giveaway, since I'm collecting a lot the skincare and makeup right now. Okay, let's see what else. What is this? Bamboo Lifestyle Company Body Polish. Laughing of this company. Hold on, let's see. How much is this? Bamboo, where are you? Whoa, this is $49? Why is it so expensive? Okay, I'm laughing is because as you guys know that I own cosmetic company and I've been research different container and our next our upcoming product I need a jar and a company sent me exactly the same jar. I reject it because this is I can squeeze. So I told my team is like if I can squeeze the jar, that doesn't feel luxury enough. I know it needs plastic, but I need something a little bit firmer. And this is I think this is the same one I reject. This is funny. And it still needs about $49. What is so special about this? Let's see what's in there. Polish Substem Bamboo Stem Extra. Soft Carney Bamboo Stem Extra deliver inner portion of a plant. It's exfoliator, jojoba oil, has an essential fatty acid, quickly absorb into the skin, help skin feel smoother, softer, and nourishing the skin. And then also anti-inflammatory. Okay, wow, this is expensive. $49 for 4 ounce. Okay. This is a vegan, paraben free, sulfate free. I'll definitely give it a try. You can see my facial expressions. I'm just looking at this thinking, okay, well maybe I shouldn't reject that container. Interesting. Okay. But see, this is the reason why you get beauty box size, so you can try things that you never tried before. The last item, it's okay. Whoa! KAB Cosmetic Volume 1. Wow, this is a contour palette and it's $60. Whew, that's a lot of money. Contour. See it? Oh, I like it. This is a good contour. Sometimes this company they will make contour powder or contour palettes. They are so tiny. It's like you can't even get brushes in there. So this is a good size. It's a very solid matte colors. Even have a highlight, translucent color. So this is really great. Wow, this is a very good deal. $60. Wow. Will I spend $60 for this? Probably not. But am I happy to receive this? Absolutely. Absolutely. So let's do a little math real quick. I paid $49.99 for this box. And we have how many items? 8 items. And then the website say the Luxe box value over $395, right? So we're gonna calculate this all together, see if this over $395. $370. So the website says average $319. Okay, so did I just got scammed by Boxycharm? Here I am telling you how wonderful this is. The price, it says value up to. So, I mean, it is below what I say. Am I upset? No. I mean, it's okay. I still like all this product. I mean, they are all full size. There's 8 items in there. Some of them is really great. Some of them are very interesting, like the dropper. But again, this is why that you don't know, I mean, I sometimes I hear people say, oh, I don't like the beauty box because I get the stuff I don't like. Well, it's kind of like a mystery box. I mean, you can't expect to pay a little money and get everything you want. If that's the case, don't get the mystery box. I mean, that's what it is. But I'm kind of shook a little bit that it's a below value price. Okay, well, at least now you know. Alright, so I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. It means a lot. You make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, share my video, follow my social media, and most importantly, check out YibuBeauty.com. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!